sugar. Before we get started, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Today we're going to be making, wait, what are we doing? Boom! What is it? Pretty Pebbles baking kit. Ooh! Makes me want to dance. Makes me want to dance. Let's open it up! So we have here candy melt, sugar crystals, sugar, vanilla sugar, ionized salt, some more ionized salts, and flour and baking soda. In addition, from the box we just showed you, we have 2 mixing bowls, a fork, a whisk, a measuring cup, some soft butter, a bowl to melt the candy melts, 4 bowls with a spoon, and 1/2 teaspoon to make the little balls, 1 egg, parchment paper, and 2 baking sheets. So let's get started. Now let's open this up and see. And there's 13 steps, sorry, and 12 to 15 individually. Step 1, wash your hands and preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Okay, let's wash your hands first. Now we're going to step 2's instructions. Line 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mat. We're going to use parchment paper. You can use either one. That's the best I can do. Now we're going to read step 3's instructions. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt set aside. First goes for, it doesn't matter which order, but I want to do it in order. It doesn't matter, so you can do whatever which way. I might have made a big mess, but that's okay. And now, baking powder. And now baking soda. It's not coming out. It is, kind of. Oh yeah, and salt. Now we're going to make step 4's instructions. So this is step 4. In step 4, mix together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter and sugar. Use a fork to easily crumble the 2 ingredients. Okay, you're hiding on me, bad boy. So now I have to get the butter. It's very melted. Okay, now sugar. Sugar. Now easily crumble it. That means smush it, I think. In step 5's instructions, it says, once your mixture is light and creamy, add in 1 egg and vanilla sugar. Continue to mix. Okay, 1 egg. Don't worry, I'll wash my hands. Smells really good, except that does not look too appetizing to me. Luckily that was not the egg. Now we're going to step 6 instructions. Let's do this. Continue using the fork to mix as you slowly add in your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do it slowly. I'm going to put that down in a second. Now we're going to step 7's instructions. Scoop your dough into 1 teaspoon size ball. So I got a teaspoon. We're gonna use a spoon. It's so, ew, it stuck to my hand. This is so gooey. I do not like this. That's the grossest thing I ever seen. Ooh. I just want to pie my face now. You need my help. Ow. It's so mushy. Ew, my hands never get this messy. Someone needs to help. Oh, I have the messiest hand. Ooh, I feel like a baby. I switched to a scooper. Whoa. That's better than using. My hand feels so much better. They say thank you to me. I think we have a little bit of here. Now we're going to step 8 instructions. Pour each sugar crystal packet into separate bowls. Okay. First we're starting with blue. Now orange. Purple is like my favorite color. And pink also. Okay, now we're gonna read step 9's instructions. Coat each ball into sugar crystals. Okay, I'm gonna use a spoon. That's enough. Oops. Okay, I think that's enough. Now we're going to step 11 instructions. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until they are slightly golden brown on the edge. Let's cool. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, did you notice I got my ears pierced? It kind of hurt, but I did not cry because I'm super brave. My sweet muscle helped. It's almost done. What? Ow. So let's read it. While the cookies are cooling in a microwave bowl, microwave the candy out in 30-second intervals until they are completely smooth. I'm gonna cut this baby. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. Whoa. Part of it's melting. Now it's the last step of the day, step 13, and we have to pour this chocolate goodness into the middle so it looks like a flower, hopefully. So I'm gonna do it. petals. Now that the cookies have cooled, we are gonna taste test them, and that's my favorite part. So who should I call? Luca. Luca!
Yeah?
You wanna taste my delicious cookies?
Sure. It's good.
Okay, now my turn. I'm grabbing this giant one. I always like to take off the top. Really good.
And it's supposed to be the soft.
Yeah. Look, what percent is it?
It's about a 99. What's this? White, yellow stuff that looks like yolk.
That's the chocolate melts.
Alright, it tastes good.
And I'm gonna give it 199. Now we're doing another taste test because my sister could not resist.
Do I take one?
Yeah.
Okay. Jeez. These are good.
Lucy, what percent is it?
99.
Not 100? Your mouth is turning blue.
Oh no.
We must smash that button and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Serafina Baker. This is my unicorn beast pose or shoot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Serafina Baker. This is my unicorn pose.
Cut.
Hi guys, we're doing another take 2 taste test because my sister could not resist.
Redo. There's stuff in my teeth.
Hi guys, we're back again because my sister could not resist.
There's still stuff in my teeth.
Lucy, stop it.